What do you do, y'all? It's your boy Bright. You know what I'm saying? We back with a video. We got a new car video. Get this off the screen. Let's just give up on that dream. Taking delivery of my 100K 2025 Dodge Charger. That's how much they cost? No way, right? Let me just put this over here so I don't get lost. Sign up for updates. How do I buy one if I want to buy one? I say no, I ain't got no money. I don't even know how to buy one. This shit don't... What version does he have?
32 gang, y'all know what it is. It's your boy CJ on 32s. It is only right we bring 2025 in the right way with one of the EV Chargers, man. We about to pick up the EV Charger. Come on, follow me.
Chat, y'all buying one?
Oh my God, I just bought a car from Tyson's.
See what it sounds like? It sounds like Iron Man. It's a commercial for Dodge? Like, what is this? Oh, it's too, ain't it?
32 gang, what's good, man? It's your boy CJ on 32.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm saying it's a 45-minute video, you know what I'm saying? Damn, when does he get to it? Okay.
You know what I didn't do the other day too? Shame on me. I didn't have the light set on the inside for you. I gotta show you
The colors.
I'm sure you saw it in the video.
Oh yeah, got me all cleaned up, ready to go. Yeah.
I don't like the back of it. What a diffuser though. I don't even know how this car look like a diffuser.
Ooh, they got this looking real good too today.
It's like a Wagoneer on the inside, don't it, chat? That shit's like Iron Man starting up.
Oh yeah, that's dope.
Let me get out your way though.
Yeah, I see it. It's flowing.
All the way through.
Check it out, guys. You know what I did too? I did some research. This all-wheel drive too. They all-wheel drive. Every last one of them. Yeah. Man, it looks so good to me, guys. Hell yeah.
That color is it.
Yeah.
That color is it.
Color busting. Yeah.
Make sure we get that stage 1 in there for sure.
Yeah. Stage 1. Y'all get y'all other one yet?
No.
This stage 1, man. Honestly, I don't. How it looks is not bad to me.
So
besides, don't look bad to me.
This is about 100 years in the making for Mopar. You know that, right? That's pretty important.
Yeah. It's gonna even make them or break them.
100 years.
Right now.
Like that.
So make them or break them. Which I think it's gonna break them.
They
They gotta go back.
Man,
to gas.
still ain't seen one on the street.
No, I don't think you will. I think you'll be the first one. For
So
sure.
that's perfect. That's
You
the
will be the
goal.
first
Like
one
get
on
it
the
in. Yeah. At least around here.
Tell them. If anybody needs one, Tyson Motors would have signed them.
Yeah. So y'all got some more coming though,
I
right?
got one more coming.
One coming.
For sure, at least one for now.
Well, I got the best color anyways, guys. I got that red with the black. Yep. We taking delivery of this bad boy today. Let's.
Yeah, I feel like he's gonna say something.
Well, he's
important,
getting into
but
it, yeah,
fuck
so I'll just be right here. There's even some nice space back there for people to sit.
Oh, it's perfect for you. You don't got no legs.
No, I'm saying, even
Be comfortable. That's like a limousine ride. for you.
I'm saying like,
Fire it up, then.
Fire it up.
Fire it up.
already hear it? Mufflers?
Oh, that fake sound pisses me off.
Ain't that crazy?
Oh, I got that park brake.
Yep.
Shit. Oh, down.
down here. I can't see it all the way, but it's going to show your battery percentage right there, right? 74%. I mean, just real basic outside stuff. Clock,
Like an iPhone.
outside temp. Everything is real basic you need to get to. Standard cruise, adaptive cruise control. Your drive modes are there. So when you select through the drive modes, of course, they'll pull it up automatically. You can get right into sport mode. Let's start it out right.
Yeah, look at that screen.
Yes.
We're going straight to sports
Yes.
mode, man.
Power shot, you know what that is, right? That's going to be, it's for 10 seconds, it'll give you 30 more horsepower out of that for 10 more seconds. Everything else, I mean, you own Mopar stuff, it's all pretty simplistic. Heated seats, ventilated seats are all on the outside of the radio screen themselves. Temp control, front and rear defrosters, same thing for the passenger. It's all pretty self-explanatory, anything Mopar related, pretty much on there. The lights
How
are
fast is this
something.
again?
How fast is it? 0 to 60, 3.6 seconds.
Okay.
Only 0.1 second faster than the Hellcat. But this isn't the fastest version of it.
Yes, sir. I like the flat bottom up and lower, right? Mopar was only known to have the lower one. I like how it's got the upper one too. That's all power too. Left hand side on the bottom. You should have your little control there to move it.
Oh, it's dope. I see you can telescope it
Yeah,
in and out.
up and up.
Yeah, it's power. It's like a circle button over here. We're gonna go into in-depth when we get to our land, guys. But right now, we're doing a quick. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, does it have a sound to it?
Quick run body.
Yeah,
a
it's a
couple
big
things so he
sound.
knows where things are at.
All right. So how do I deal with my exhaust?
It gets me tight.
You go into your
Right.
settings.
So
That's
it's
what you're gonna get
accurate.
into. Right? See how it's got an actual sound to
Bro,
it.
it sounds crazy,
Right?
bro. It's crazy because
Why they couldn't really make that sound?
Go into vehicle itself.
should have made it
You gotta
really
get
sound like
auto.
that.
These are all your menus, right?
They should have made it
Camera menus,
they should have made it with a
electronic
motor, and they
vehicle
should have made it sound like
dashboard,
that.
Settings. Go through settings.
motor.
You can change your drive themes, exhaust themes. Everything is here, up and down. Scroll through
So this
whatever
the
menu
EV
you
sound
want.
right here. Oh, so you can turn it on.
You just turn it right. So if you don't want to have that sound at all, you can just turn that thing off completely.
I need that.
Man,
sound.
hold on, press it again.
I need that sound.
Go ahead and hit the gas.
That shit
heck
sound
no.
That's crazy,
like
bro.
R2D2 or some shit. Right?
Whoever doesn't know this is an electric car is gonna think
fake.
that's an actual muffler making
They,
it.
they will think that's an actual
That
muffler
is
making
so
that sound.
crazy, guys. Y'all hear that? Y'all hear the loud pipes, man? Y'all know what I'm saying? Hey, this that new thing,
It's
though.
the future.
Yeah,
That is crazy though
future,
how
man.
they
I don't know how
it's
long
electric,
will be
but
the
they make it
future,
sound
but
like that
I
off the
think they're
throttle.
gonna be
You can turn it
pressured to
on and
make
off.
that gas version. Well, they
That's
supposed to be
future.
making that inline 6.
Well, yeah, they are
High
making a
output
gas
inline
version
six,
with
that's
turbo on it.
510 horsepower.
Yeah, so this one
Yeah,
probably still
you
gonna
just
be
said it.
quicker because it's electric.
Still
so
going to
it's
be
instant.
quicker.
And this is all-wheel drive.
This is all-wheel
All of them
drive.
are all-wheel
They're
drive.
all all-wheel drive. The battery on this thing makes up a third of the weight. This car is about 8,000 pounds, and the battery is
car
about
is
a
so
third of that.
Damn.
This 8,000.
8,000.
So this
faster
is
than a
heavier
Hellcat.
than the electric EV Cadillac IQ. That is crazy.
And the battery on this thing takes up a third of the weight of this car.
Battery's
So
heavy.
Oh
it's
my
heavy.
crazy.
god.
It's heavy. It's heavy. So to say the car is going to be stable, it's going to be extremely stable.
'Cause
right?
it's so heavy.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, will
The
that
car
take
is
away a
just-
little bit from the performance?
The battery is just the
Yes.
weight. That's
However, but
it's really
for
heavy
your-
just because of the
your
battery.
stability, it's going to be there all
For
day.
me, I don't care. We bought the car to have fun. We bought the car to have the car before a lot of people, like before it hit the streets. Which
I wonder
probably
what
a
the
lot of people
fast
that
version
interested
is, how
in
it's gonna
like
look.
about
But I bet you they're gonna be interested now because if he sets a lot of trends.
having fun, bro. So
He's gonna
I
get
bought
people
it
to buy
have
this.
fun.
And I appreciate that. I appreciate him having trust in us to do business here. I knew when I first saw the car.
My internet is bad. This way y'all gotta move my subs up. This internet is bad. So you got the RT version. How high does it go? That's what I want to know.
Oh wait, no, he didn't get the SR. Is there an SRT version?
I think I don't know. I'm gonna look it up after this.
So why the heck he only got the art? What the heck?
I think it's the first version that came out of the car. He's gonna be first in it for the YouTube video. He paid 100K for the car. The car not even worth 100K.
It looks like an electric car. It's
It
bad.
don't look bad though. I just don't like the back.
It looks like an electric car.
Oh yeah.
It can make no noise.
Will, let's go, bro. It
It
ain't
don't look bad.
summertime out here.
Imagine the engine swap with a 2JZ. I said, imagine the engine swap over 2Js. You can probably swap this shit with anything.
But the 2JZ, that's bad. They put a V8 Hemi. Might as well.
Yeah, I mean, they putting a turbo on it.
But think about it. If you
Trying to get out of here, bro.
put
What
the SRT
let's shoot this
Hellcat
talking
engine
part
in
real
that,
quick.
do you know how much lighter that car would be?
My
That,
hands
if
is
they take out all the battery stuff, the batteries are a third of the weight.
I
That
know,
car
I
would
was
be
thinking that
light
too.
as shit.
And then I'm thinking about it too, is that's all-wheel drive too, so they can just put track off into this. Somebody's
Oh
gonna do
yeah,
that. I just predicted it.
and that shit
Yo,
is gonna be
viewers,
crazy.
listen here, viewers. I predicted it first. Somebody's gonna put a Trackhawk engine in this shit. Cause all-wheel drive, watch.
Turn the heat on
Give it a
full
year or so.
blast.
Like, do you know what that's gonna do? This car's gonna be so light. It's gonna be so fast.
It should go like 2,000-3,000 pounds. Might be the
Stay
fastest
around
car in the
here
world.
right now.
Not in the world, but on the street.
Alright.
Imagine 1,000 horsepower. Imagine 1,000 horsepower Hellcat that weighs like 3,000
We'll
pounds.
play games. I ain't
Oh my
with
God.
that.
That's
Can't
all-wheel
do that
drive.
with him.
That shit running the hood. Yeah, the hood love that. That shit get stolen the first night.
Literally.
Now this is why I couldn't have this car right here. Gravel is not making no noise. It didn't even get exhaust. There's no muffler.
It's so quiet. The quietness is over. Oh my God.
So boring. It looks aggressive too, you know? You think it makes a noise.
That's true. You think this car is loud and shit.
Right? You see it in the street, you think this shit loud, bro. I'd be disappointed should I see a shit pull up to my house. I think it's about to make some noise and shit. He
That's
just
just like
zzz, like a bumblebee, like that shit
Heck
upset
no.
my day. Where does he take it to?
Yeah.
I thought it was just
You hear that growl? Hit the gas.
You can hear
on that
nothing.
boat, right?
Yeah.
That's the point.
It got a little growl back there. You can hear it. You hear it?
Oh, yes,
You can hear it like roo, roo. What the hell up front?
Nothing. I think the cat's
It's a front.
Give me a second.
I'm gonna go get that TRX. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna park this. Is there room in the front or no?
Oh, that's it, yeah.
I can move the Cadillac over.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull it in the front.
Alright, let me look. Now. It's 60K. Okay.
That's not bad.
He got the RT version. I don't know what version. Okay, RT Scat. Sign up for updates. Like you can't look at the pricing right now? It's only 0.1 second faster than a damn Hellcat. Bro. Take a look at the pricing. Okay, the Dodge Charger Daytona, 670 horsepower. What about the Scat Pack? Okay, the Scat Pack is slower. Output 550 horsepower. He has the RT though, so what version is the RT though, you know? Oh, fuck.
Right there.
No. Where?
What's that? What did it say? I just say RT, but
There's a picture.
shaking my head.
I have no idea. How would I find that out? Does it show prices when I do something? Let me see. It's red. I don't even know prices when I mess with shit.
Right there.
You see
Building
it?
price. Building price.
You seen it?
Yeah, the top right.
Alright, let's make it red. Okay, okay. So 32,000.
You got the electric Durango?
It
No
doesn't even
way.
it doesn't
That get
say.
is the Durango electric? That would
Nah,
get
it's
me
not.
mad.
Nah, it's not. They made those gas. Alright, look, this is a 2000. Alright, but what is this one though?
That's not electric.
Oh yeah, I'm tripping. This is electric.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so two. Okay, the RT and the Scat Pack.
Scat Pack. Why is the Scat Pack 73,000?
But he had the RT one though. He even had a Scat Pack.
Yeah, I know.
All right, but how fast is the Scat Pack? Because the Scat Pack was only the RT was only 500 and something horsepower. The Daytona was the one that was 600 and something. So they got the RTs. They don't even got the Daytona out yet. So how fast is the RT? How much is RT again? I forgot. It's
59.
I want to know what the specs is though. God, look
A big ass battery.
interior packages. 400V. I have no idea.
Electric cars are so dumb.
Battery motor. I don't fucking know. I have no idea. But he don't even got the best version of it. He probably couldn't even get the he just wanted to be
Scat Pack.
first. Yeah, he just wanted to be first with that shit. He paid 100K for the RT version. That's crazy. They taxed this nigga
Ain't no way he paid 100K. He had to be capping.
for the title thing. I don't think so. You know when cars first come out, they be taxing. When the C8 first came out, the C8 sold for like 60K, but people bought them for like 100, 200K because of MSRP.
For real?
Yeah, you know C8s when the C8s first came out, they sold out. Even look at like Hellcats. Hellcats really don't be costing that much, but the MSRP is what makes them go up more.
Mm.
So I don't know. 100K, but he paid 40K more for this car. I don't know. He better than me though. So what y'all think though, chat? Like, comment, subscribe.